lang. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, nandito tayo sa Villa de Villas because it's Jay Sana and June Lloyd's anniversary! Yes! 3rd year anniversary. 3 years and counting and more. So, binok ni Jay Sana itong villa. So, andito na kami. Kakarating lang namin. It's now 5 lang. Yes, super ganda. Ayan, ganda ng place. Papakita ko sa inyo. Very aesthetic. That's the place. May pool. Tapos, ang gaganda ng mga villas nila. Very Bali vibes. May hot tub. Ayan, i-room tour namin kayo. This is, oh my gosh, where's the light? Here's the light. Wow, super cute. Room tour tayo guys. Ang ganda ng villa. Sobra. So may shower, may mirror. Ito yung comfort room. This is 2 bed. Super ganda guys. As in. Ito yung nakuha naming room. 2 beds. With fan and the AC. And then, super cute kasi may screen siya guys. Para hindi pumasok ang mga insekta. This is the 2nd level part. So, pakita natin yung ibang rooms. Magaganda yung mga rooms nila dito in fairness. Nakakaloka. Sobrang nakakamayaman vibes. Yung 2nd villa sa baba. Sa taas lang yung sa amin. Actually, it's the same. Meron lang siyang mirror doon. Tapos may baby crib. Cute. Yung room nila Jay Sana. Super cute. See? May shower and closure. So cute. Very aesthetic. So, ito turn natin sila. Hello! Hi, Mom! May other villas pa doon. Tapos yung bathtub. Tapos meron ditong billiard pool. Tapos may mga comfort room pa doon. Tapos meron pang ulit villa sa taas. Cute!
No matter how good.
Ayun, gugulin natin yung mga bakla. Pupunta tayo sa mga bakla. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po, Nunoy. Puntahan natin sila. At ang kanilang villa ay nandito. Diba nagpakahirap pa kami doon? Kasi dito lang pala. So, ayan, nakakit tayo. Tabi-tabi po, Nunoy. Ito yung villa number 2. Mga bakla, ano na? Wala pa kayong ganap dyan? Tulog-tulog na lang tayo? Ano, mga bakla?
Ano ba kung kayo dito magmulong?
Puta!
Ang ingay!
Bakit? Hindi ba kayo magagalaw, mga badeng?
Gulo! Ayoko na. Make up, make up.
Mga bakla, ano na?
Ano pala tayo?
Dito na lang tayo?
Make up, make up. Kulutan mo na kami ba eh. Vibes, kulutan mo.
Money make the world go round. I'm trying to get it all right now. Everybody worry about the crown being. Look, homie, I'm the man right now. Talking to a peon, kind of time we on. Jump roll like the kind of take eons. Got a little buzz, it's time to go beyond. Can't look back, no time to hit rewind. Yeah, she wants to do S class. I'm like, boo, you must ask. They pour way too much in your glass. Just move your hips like a whole up class. Hit the gab, I talk that gab. Strut like up and I walk that shit. When I'm up, that's it. I'ma start living reckless. Get that bag, I'ma walk like this. Yeah, I'ma walk like this. Hit that lane, I'ma walk like this. Walk in the spot, but they all get lit. Tell them on flow, let me talk my shit. Every song bang when they drop in hit. Said I'm the man, post stop, no miss. Over your head, next time don't slip. Play your part, better read that script. Yeah, I'ma walk like this. Yeah, I'm steady focused on money now.
OMG! Ang pulutan. Ate Joy! For the cooking and mother. Emote-emote ka kasi mapapanood mo sa YouTube vlog ni Gigi. Gumagawa sila ng ng nachos. O, game shot na tayo. Isa.
Dito kami ngayon.
Ayan, vlog takeover tayo with Mercury. Nakaasan tayo na?
Sa jet ski. Ay, sa bathtub.
Bathtub.
Bathtub kami guys ngayon.
Tour mo sila
With
na.
my Jane Tobasi. Jane. Hi ka, Jane.
Hello! Ilan people lagi? O, baliktad na.
Kira.
Ulit mo sa akin. Ulit mo sa
Ganito
akin.
ba?
Kabila.
Ganito.
Yan.
Ulit mo sa akin. Jane Tobasi.
Hi, hello! Nice to see you again.
Hi again.
Hi, hello!
Kalama. Hi, Glacial. So, Mami
Ayan,
Gabo.
dito Gabo na tayo. Ano na si Gabo? Hi, Gabi. Fresh from Thailand.
So yun lang guys. Maliligo muna kami. Bye!
Ayan na guys. So kakatapos ko lang magluto ng steak. So it's time for me to relax. Mami Gigi! Hello! So ayan. So we're having wine tonight. And tayo sa jet hub. 4-person siya guys. Super amazing. I'm with Maria, the camera girl. And of course, Gabby is doing her photos. And some people are drinking there. Hindi tayo pwede mag-vlog ba kasi makaka-copyrights tayo. So dito muna tayo mag-vlog. Okay. Dumating na number 1. Maano ang handog mo sa amin tonight? Martini. Ayun na.
Mamaya ka natatawagin ka na lang.
Doon muna yan.
Tama ka. Puppet! Puppet!
Babayaran ko pa yung pinigmata ko. I love you na. Joke lang. Hindi masakit. Pumutok lang yung bula. OA mo. Masakit talaga siya.
Muslim ka, ma'am.
Hindi nakapul.